Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Connecting your IKEA SYMFONISK speaker to your TV is a smart way to upgrade your home audio. These speakers use Sonos technology to deliver clear sound in a stylish design. There are two primary methods to set this up depending on your hardware. If you have the bookshelf or picture frame models, you should use AirPlay too. First, ensure your speaker is set up in the Sonos app on your phone. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the audio output settings. Look for the AirPlay menu and select your IKEA speaker from the list. This method is great for streaming movies or music wirelessly. The second method involves using your IKEA speakers as rear surrounds for a full home theater. For this, you need a Sonos soundbar like the Beam or Arc. Connect the soundbar to your TV using an HDMI Arc cable. Open the Sonos app and select your soundbar from the system menu. Choose the option to add surround speakers and follow the on-screen instructions. This setup provides the best performance and eliminates any audio lag. If your TV does not support AirPlay, you can use an Apple TV or a Roku device to bridge the connection. Make sure your TV and your speakers are all connected to the same Wi-Fi network for a stable link. Keep your Sonos app updated to the latest version to avoid any connection issues. Using these steps will transform your living room into a cinema with minimal effort. Your IKEA speakers will now play all your favorite shows and movies with deep bass and crisp dialogue.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.